Hi my dear students, welcome to this channel. Bienvenidos a tu clase de inglés. Y el día de hoy, fíjense, vamos a tocar un tema muy importante. Hemos visto el simple past, hemos visto el past continuous y hemos visto cómo estructurar una oración, las partes de una oración. Ahora es momento de empezar a unir estas oraciones y para eso vamos a usar los que se llaman conectores. Los conectores son palabritas que te van a servir para, como dice su palabra, para conectar, para unir oraciones y que puedas ir haciendo párrafos y, por supuesto, en un futuro más cercano, hacer ensayos, hacer artículos. Toda la comunicación se basa en la primera parte en formular una oración. Entonces, tenemos dos oraciones y puede ser una en pasado simple, otra en pasado continuo. El día de hoy vamos a aprender cómo conectar el pasado simple con el pasado continuo o pasado continuo con pasado continuo, ¿sí? Y vamos a usar dos conectores esenciales que son el when, cuando, W-H-E-N, when, y while, mientras, W-H-I-L-E, W-H-I-L-E, mientras. Entonces, vamos a empezar con este análisis. Let's learn it.
Okay, let's see how to use these two connectors. When, cuando, while, mientras. We have these two sentences. I was watching TV. This sentence is in past continuous. And I have another sentence, sentence number 2. My cell phone rang. Okay? So the sentence number 1 is in past continuous because you were watching TV for a period of time. Maybe you start to watch the TV at 1 p.m. and you stop doing this activity at 2 p.m. Yes? That's the reason because this sentence is in past continuous. The cell phone rang. This sentence is in simple past. Remember, rang is the past tense of the verb ring. Let me write it. The base form of this verb, this is in past tense, and the verb is ring. Ring is the base form of the verb, and rang is in past. Okay? This sentence is in simple past because this sentence interrupt that action. You was watching TV and the cell phone rang. Oh no, my cell phone rang. Oof. Then, when this case, when an action interrupt another action, then you are going to use the connector when. When I was watching TV when my cell phone rang. And this sentence can be in past continuous, and this another sentence, the sentence who interrupt the other sentence is going to be in simple past. Simple past, the sentence that interrupt the action. Yes? Then you need to use the connector when. We can change the order of this connector because we can write when. This is an option 2. Option 1, past participle, were, when, and simple past. Option 2, when, and let me change the color, when I was watching TV I just write the past participle. When I was watching TV and, comma, my cell phone rang. Yes, option number two, and these actions are going to be connected by the word when, because an interruption is present. Okay, let's see the next connector when we don't have an interruption. For example, we have sentence number 1, I was eating. Again, this sentence is in past continuous because maybe you start eating at 1 p.m. and you stop eating at 2 p.m. Yes, and maybe you was watching TV during the same hour at 1 p.m. and you stop doing this activity at 2 p.m. Yes, and then in this case we don't have an interruption because you were doing both activities at the same time. Yes, then in this case we are going to join these two sentences using the connector while. I was eating while I was watching TV. Remember, this is option number 1, I'm sorry. I was eating while I was watching TV, but we have the option number 2 to make the structure. And the option number 2, while, and we can write one sentence number 1, while I was eating, comma, I was, sentence number 2, while I was eating, comma, I was watching TV. Or, in this case, we can change the order because it doesn't matter because you did both actions at the same time. Then you can write option number 2. Oh, I'm sorry. A lot of changes of colors. While and now, sentence number 2, because remember that you did both actions at the same time and the order is not going to be significant. While I was watching TV, comma, I was eating. Yes, very easy. And with this video, you know how to use these two connectors, when and while. Okay, my dear students, I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.